Dogecoin is slipping, a noticeable pullback that made headlines overnight. But the key point is not the drop itself. What matters is what happens next, because this capital doesn't disappear. It looks for a new playing field. And this is exactly where Maxi Doge comes into play. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at why Dogecoin is gaining maturity and losing explosiveness in the process, and why many traders are now starting to redistribute risk and rotate into earlier phases. Before we dive in, short and direct, you'll find the link to the Maxi Doge pre-sale down below in the description. Take a close look at the project after the video. At first glance, a pullback at Dogecoin looks unspectacular. Volatility is part of the game, but beneath the surface, a structural shift is underway. Dogecoin is no longer an experiment. What started as a meme has evolved into an established meme blue chip. High brand recognition, large market capitalization, broad token distribution. And that is precisely the issue. Size brings inertia. Price movements require more capital. Breakouts become rarer. Impulsive moves flatter. The days when a single catalyst could catapult the market upward are over. For many retail traders, Doge increasingly feels sluggish. Smart money recognizes this pattern. When a meme asset matures, risk is often shifted into earlier cycle phases. Not out of nostalgia, but calculation. Early stage projects offer more elasticity, stronger narratives, more friction, therefore more opportunity, but also more risk. This is exactly the window where Maxi Doge positions itself. While Dogecoin feels like a seasoned veteran, Maxi Doge deliberately presents itself a hungry rookie. The project does not target the mass market, but a very specific mindset. Active traders, leverage users, people who don't just watch markets, but play them. The narrative is clear. Leverage culture, trading competitions, community-driven actions, and a culture designed to provide liquidity where retail traders often end up on the losing side. Add branding that leaves no room for doubt. This is not about restraint, but about maximum presence in a bull market. On-chain, early signals are already emerging. Larger market participants have entered at an early stage. These are not test positions, but allocations that suggest conviction. At the same time, the pre-sale shows strong momentum. Capital inflows, active wallets, and elevated attention indicate that the narrative is resonating. Another key factor is holder retention. Staking mechanisms reward early participants and reduce short-term selling pressure. This is not a guarantee, but a deliberately designed incentive aimed at momentum and ecosystem stability. It's important to put this into perspective. Maxi Doge is not a replacement for Dogecoin. It's a different move on the same playing field. Dogecoin remains the established meme flagship. Maxi Doge is the high beta bet on the next wave. Higher potential always comes with higher risk. Pre-sales are speculative. They can perform exceptionally well or fail entirely. That's why the rule applies: only deploy capital you can afford to lose, and don't make decisions based on a single narrative. From a strategic standpoint, rotation can make sense. Large caps like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and possibly Dogecoin form the foundation. Early stage projects like Maxi Doge are satellites. They don't run forever, they operate in clearly defined time windows. Those who understand this trade with a plan instead of FOMO. Bottom line, the pullback of Dogecoin is not a shock, but a symptom. Capital is leaving mature meme coins and searching for new elasticity. Maxi Doge positions itself exactly where meme culture, trading mentality, and momentum converge. If you want to take a closer look at the project, you'll find the link to the Maxi Doge pre-sale down below in the description. Let me know in the comments whether you still see Dogecoin as an exciting trade, or whether the next meme wave, in your view, starts with new projects. Subscribe for more crypto deep dives, and I'll see you in the next video.